Okay. Oh shit, is it recording? Yeah, okay. Out here doing the damn thing again. Of course, you saw the white one when it got done. So I'm gonna give you a little footage of the black one getting done. Same process. I got my son, wave to the people, and my nephew, and a friend of mine over here, you know, observing, because they ain't doing a damn thing. But I got the front bumper loose and ready to come off, so I'm going to show you that. Now, on to more exciting stuff. Gonna be yeah, you see my lights. Gonna be taking all the support out, radiator, all that stuff, shroud. Hopefully be able to try to pull it out today, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. And why I say that, some of you might be just looking at my channel, but I'm going from a 4.3 to a 5.3 V8. That's 5.3 V8. Came out of 2005 Trailblazer, aluminum head and block. I think they got the flat top pistons in it, so should be a little bit more onto it than that one. That's just a regular iron block, iron heads. Alright, we're gonna get on with this and I'll chime back in and get a little more done.